Hello, everybody. It is below zero here in Minnesota, and when it's below zero, you like to keep yourself busy. So I am out in the shop again, and I am going to make a little art project for my wife. It's going to be, I think, an inchworm or a caterpillar made out of nuts. You'll see. Anyway, I'm going to get started on that, and I'm going to bring you along with me and show you how I do it. So it's going to be a work in progress, so bear with me. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I've got the shape I want, and now what I'm going to do is start welding this together and linking them all. But I have to make sure it's flat on the bottom so it'll mount to a stand. So I'll get the welder going and we'll start putting it together. Try not to make stuff move here. Okay, first tacks are done. So it'll stand like that. Okay, so far so good. Now, I got to work on the eyeballs, the antennas, and tack the other side. Okay, I got the other side tacked, and I put a couple of nuts together here like this. And what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to make those into eyeballs. So I'm going to put this like this, because that's the way it stands. Let's see if I can rotate this camera up a little bit. And the eyeballs are going to go like this. Something like that. Oh, just hit the camera with my helmet. So I'm going to get these eyeballs tacked on. This will be fun. Grab maybe I can use a little magnet to hold these on where I want them. Maybe not. Oh, it might work. So I'll spin it around so you can see it. All right, so there's the front of it. You can see those are going to be the eyeballs. I'll just have to weld those on. And then I just have to work on the antennae and the base. All right, let's see if I can get these eyeballs on. Give me a little length there. I don't even know if I hit that. Nope. Not very well. So we're going to grind that off real quick. Just a quick little zippity-doo-dah. Nice and clean. All right, try it again. This time maybe I'll just hold it, I think. Okay. That worked. Hot. So I'll use the magnet to hold it up here. So now I need to make antennae. And I was thinking about making these screws, or these machine screws, sort of like antennae somehow. Something like that. That might work. Yeah. So let me go get those put together and we'll be back. All right. Well, the face is done. You got the eyes, antenna. I've got it sort of tacked together here. I just got to sort of put a permanent welds on this and then get the base set so I can set it on a base and weld it to that. And then we'll paint it. And that's a little inchworm or caterpillar, whatever. Just a fun little project. Okay, I'm going to try and turn this guy into a bookworm. So this is his book right here. And these are going to be his arms. So I'm going to weld the arms to the book. And then I'll have to manipulate the other end to attach. If it doesn't work out, it won't be a bookworm. But I think I can get it done. So we're going to try that. See if I can get those to weld. I think they might even be stainless, so that might be a problem. But you got what you got. So let's see. Okay. Now, my bookworm could go like this. Oh, that almost worked out pretty good. Imagine that. All right, well, now I just have to tack that on there, and it'll be a bookworm. So I got to clean this up a little bit before I weld it on, and go from there. So every project I make, I always use a Dremel with a drill bit in it, and I grind my name, my last name, into the bottom with the year that I made it in. That way, these become sort of legacy pieces. So maybe my great-great-grandchild will have the bookworm and be able to know that Big Dog Grandpa West made it. So anyway, I'm going to grind that in right now. There it is. West 25. Okay, last step, we're going to put the book on. And the arms, of course. This is going to be precarious. I think I'm just going to have to zap it on one side and hope for the best. Oh, good gravy. Might have to put a different base on it because the book makes it out of balance. Or is there something underneath there? Oh no, that's fine. All right, now it's just paint. All right, here it is, out of the paint booth. Into bookworm. I think it turned out pretty well. I might throw it back in the paint booth for another coat, but it looks good.